Hi guys, Erica, motorhome specialist here.
And I'm Nick with Thor Motor Coach.
Today we're in the Inception HD. Let me hit on HD there. One of my favorite features about this unit is the air ride seats up here. I'll let Nick talk about that.
Yes, so the air ride seats in the Inception and the Inception HD product is a really nice feature that you're going to find at Thor Motor Coach. You're also going to have a Apple and Android radio up front, and you're going to have a 4-point leveling system too. So we're going to create all the features that you're going to want driving down the road in a safe environment, in a comfortable environment.
That's awesome. So my next favorite feature about this unit is when you're out and about boondocking and you want to look at the stars, this is the best way to look at them. No mosquitoes. And then we throw in a little light. Looks even better. So, you want to tell us a little bit about that, Nick?
This is a great place to have your kids, even when you're driving down the road, seeing everything. When you're camping, you got windows on both sides. Just creating the perfect camping lifestyle for your friends and family. This is a 58 by 80 size, so you're going to have the largest overhead bunk in the industry on a Freightliner. So on the Inception HD, you get 58 by 80. It's an 800-pound rating, and you just can't beat this space.
So you can put that big cousin up here that, you don't want in the back. It's perfect for them, okay? So next, we'll just relax here in our seats. Mine's vibrating.
And mine is got the automatic.
Hey, Java. Oh, yeah.
Best part about this arrangement, you have your heated massage theater seats right in front of your TV. So you have that perfect, comfortable lifestyle that you're wanting. Hi, pup.
And it's pet approved. Java says yes. Okay, so I know if you are a woman like I am, you're concerned about your children, making sure that they're locked in. If you have little babies, booster seats, car seats, we have the safety features right here.
That's
Nick?
right. Yeah, you're going to find yourself with 2 car seat tethers on both sides here. So, it is a nice feature if you do have young children traveling with you.
I have twins. I have twin
There you go. There
grandkids,
you go.
and that's perfect.
Yes.
So, next thing, these hard counter surfaces.
Yes.
Want to talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, so solid surface countertops in the Inception HD. You also are going to find yourself with nice hardwood cabinetry, soft closing, of course. This cabinetry collection is called the Chalet, so it's very bright, very modern, very
Elegant.
opening, elegant.
Yes.
We've got a lot of good feedback getting away from the dark colors that you see in a lot of motorhomes, and this is all new for 2026.
This is the perfect combination because it's easy to clean. You're not going to get that dust. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
So when you're out and about. The floors, I love the floors.
The floors on the Inception HD product are going to be porcelain. Okay, that's a big difference versus the LVP and the regular Inception. So you're going to have heated porcelain floors all the way in the bedroom and in your bathroom. So huge upside for that individual that's camping in cold weather and they just want that warm feeling on their feet in the morning. So
you still get to keep the toasty toes.
That's right.
So we'll come this way. You have the full-size refrigerator, residential. Have the safety lock.
Big reefer. You can't go wrong. This is something that always customers are asking for more and more. Can we get a bigger reefer? Can we get more freezer space? And in the Inception HD product, we maximize it.
Next thing we got, full-size washer and dryer. I know a lot of people that camp, they hate the combo, and this is not the combo. You got your top, you got your bottom. Great selling feature.
The washer and dryer is a great feature on a 34-foot Freightliner chassis. So it has a lot of nice features that our customers are wanting that they find in big diesel coaches that are 40+ feet. So again, you got the washer dryer, you have a tilt-a-bed king bed. Again, all the features that you may want, just in a compact size.
Definitely, because when you get to those smaller sizes, don't come with washer and dryer and don't come with a king bed. So to have that combination, awesome feature, guys.
Yep.
We'll go to the bathroom over here. And same thing, the surface.
Yeah, so solid surface countertops in your bathroom. We're not going to cut away from those features and benefits. 34 by 36 shower. Again, just a nice open space, single bathroom.
One thing I get from the customers, what's the toilet made out of?
Porcelain.
All right, there you
It's
go.
porcelain.
So thank you guys for hanging out with us, letting us show you around the HD Inception. Again, my name is Erica. I'm here at Motorhome Specialist. My direct line is 469-275-9258. Give me a call. I can do FaceTimes with you. I can do whatever you'd like. Just come down and see us.